Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, June 22nd. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and those fathers out there had a wonderful Father's Day. Today we got just really one item here on the economic calendar, and that is the existing home sales for the month of May. In April, we had 4.33 million annualized units for existing home sales. However, there was supposed to be a dip forecasted for the month of May at 3.8, and it dipped at 3.91. So a little bit better than forecast. However, still down about just between 9 and 10% drop right there. But again, we got to figure that this probably is the bottom and it will start rising. We do see a lot of demand out there, low inventory out there, but with COVID and people not really getting out and viewing properties, that tend to be more realistic in this sense. So let's jump ahead here to the headline news. We got stocks are up so far this morning. They did kind of start down a little bit. We did have the, it is being led by tech stocks. They are kind of keeping an eye on the coronavirus cases, which has been showing a pickup of late in multiple states in the U.S. and globally. You know, China at Beijing pretty much locked down Beijing. South Korea announced that they had a bit of an increase in theirs, as well as quite a few other countries, including India and many other countries, saw a big uptick in their cases. But again, these are just cases that show people that have it. We're not seeing, from what I understand, you know, I could be wrong here, I haven't seen the increase of death rates. So it seems like these are people who are showing that they, due to the test, show that they have it, but yet may not show the symptoms or anything. So again, we'll have to kind of wait and see. That's why investors kind of shrugging a little bit, keep an eye on it for any more serious numbers. But at the moment, they're kind of just like keeping one eye towards stocks and one eye towards this, because this is what's going to dictate stocks. If more negative news comes out in coronavirus, this will probably have an adverse effect on stocks as they try to trend upwards here. Let's see how this is playing out in the bond market. The bond market, as you can see, we did start off a little bit higher, even above the 25-day moving average. We did start above it on Friday and then ended up closing down a little bit. As you saw, we had this star effect here where we went both different directions, even testing towards a 50-day moving average. We did kind of come down towards that right now. We're down about 6 points right now. And so I would say investors are going to be basically pricing unchanged. We're getting kind of this sideways movement right here, so there's really hasn't been a lot of change in pricing. You know, if there's a change, you're talking maybe 1/10 of a point in there versus actual rate change. So we're not really seeing it in the rate. So what I mean by change, the rate itself is not enough impact on the rate to really make it change. Might be slightly on the point side of things, which probably would have been 1/10 of a point. All right, so hopefully that is clear. Let's kind of take a look here at the yields, see how the yields are doing. It did start off higher again, but right now we're down to about 0.7. Seeing right at this line here, it seems to be kind of a support here. As you saw, even Friday, it started the day off and went upwards a little bit. We started that time and dipped down. We even tested the 50-day moving average and came back, and we're still kind of sitting at this level right now. All right, so that's pretty much about the wrap for the day. If you guys are, again, mortgage rates remain unchanged. If you guys are in California looking to buy or refinance, we'd love to be able to talk to you about yours now. We'd love to be able to help you guys out. Please feel free to reach out. You can either direct message me or you can email me at this address here, and we can discuss how we can assist you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.